extra by just sharing a link in your WhatsApp group. Just a few steps and you can start earning. All you have to do is just go to the Play Store, type in the Teacher app and then click on download. Once you have created your Teacher ID, here comes the Go to Store option. So by clicking on that, you'll be taken to all the pre-uploaded courses. Select the one that you want. You can set the selling price by adding the amount of commission that you want on the base price. By clicking on the store from the below option, you can click on My Course and the selected course will be reflected. Share the package link in your WhatsApp group containing students and start earning whenever somebody purchases the course. The commission amount gets credited to your wallet and you can withdraw this with just a request. All you have to do is just follow a few steps, share the link in your WhatsApp group and you can start earning.